Alright guys and gals, so today we're going to be showing you how to place the front wheel bearings on your Trans Am, Camaro, or Firebird. If you need to change your rear wheel bearings, please click the link to the video above, as this video is only covering the fronts. So you can see here, this is a whole entire hub assembly. Your wheel bearings are sealed inside the assembly, so you will just need to replace the whole unit as one. You can see here, you've got plug connector back there and your nice new shiny hub. To go ahead and get started, we're going to want to remove our wheel, brakes, and rotor. So these caliper bolts are a size 18. So now you can see we've got our old hub, and it is just those 4 bolts that hold it on. And you also have your plug right back here. So go ahead, remove our plug. And now we just have to do those 4 bolts. So you can rock it back and forth, and you might actually be able to feel the play if you do need to change your bearings. So this one, you might be able to hear it. It's got some play in it, which is why we're replacing it. So we're going to go ahead and put some penetrant spray on the bolts. That looks like it's going to be a size 13. You won't be able to use a socket on the back one just because it'll probably hit that, so you want a 13 wrench to get that one. So that is what your hub bolts look like. Alright, so you can see here is the old hub, and there's where your plug goes. See, these were Moogs. So you can see that's what it looks like behind there. So here you can see we've got our nice new hub with brand new bearings, and we're going to make sure we put that plug in the same spot so we can plug this back in. Like that. Get our bolts. And then we're going to plug our plug back in right there, just like that. See, we've got our nice fresh hub with those new bearings installed, so we will just reinstall the rotor, the caliper, and the wheel. Alright guys and gals, if you found this video helpful, please do hit like and subscribe, and feel free to share and comment below. See ya!